Thunder van Haakswold. Out of the dam line of Barlow, Lucky Luck C and Jabot. Sire H.H. Conrad Z has competed under Gregory Vatelet in the European Championships and the World Equestrian Games and won, for example, the 5-star Grand Prix of Chantilly. He has already produced a number of international show jumpers and the oldest performing on 1.60 m level. The Grand Dam of Thunder van Haakswold is a sibling to the international 140 level horse Boy E. Great Grand Dam Diamond is a half-sister of the international Grand Prix show jumpers Barlow of Ian Miller, Lucky Luck C of Jean-Marc Nicolas, and Jabot, ridden by Markus Beerbaum. This dam line has produced a number of 1.60 m level horses already,